Welcome to the TUO Weekly Webinar. I am joined today by the always available Lee Craig. Let's quickly go over what's on the agenda for today. And we're going to highlight several advanced features that you may or may not already be using within your individual TUO dashboards. We will start by showing you one of the best ways to share and promote your online stores, our PDF flyer creator. Then we will discuss the concept of multiple stores for a single organization and show you our elegant solution, the MultiStore Web Page. We will then change gears and show you an advanced tool that allows you to create and manage online registrations for any of your teams and organizations. Next, we will bring it back to our stores and show you how to create and manage custom product sizes to fit all of your unique product offerings. For our second to last feature, we will show you the best ways to quickly organize and sort all of your stores using our new custom store labels. And finally, we will emphasize the advanced functionality of our order status tracking feature and show you how to create custom order status updates.
And although emailing a store link can be an effective way to share and market your stores, sometimes there's nothing better than handing out a printed flyer at team gatherings and events. We made sure to include the most important store and product details and also added some cool functionality. To find this feature, simply locate one of your completed stores and click on the PDF Flyers action located to the right of your store display. From this page, you can view, download, and delete any previously created flyers. You can also easily create new flyers. Simply give your flyer a name, select up to 8 products from the available list, and click Create. That's all there is to it. When viewing your flyer, you will notice that your custom store banner is positioned in the upper left corner. To the right of that, we feature the key store dates, a scannable QR code, and a clickable tiny URL version of your live store link. We then display your selected products, including the primary image, product name, product description, and price range.
For our next feature, we've given you the ability to feature multiple stores on a fully customizable public web page. We call it the MultiStore Web Page. Designed with schools and complex sports organizations in mind, you now have the ability to share a single link, and all of your shoppers then have the ability to choose the store that best fits their needs. To access this feature, click on the profile icon located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Then select the MultiStore Web Pages option from the right menu. This page displays all current MultiStore web pages and gives you the ability to create a new one at any time. You can also view, edit, and delete your existing MultiStore web pages directly from this section. Let's take a look at how we set one of these up. When creating or editing one of your web pages, you can give it a title, public URL, customizable banner, and introduction text. Now feel free to get creative with both the banner and the text formatting, as this is different than your normal stores. Below the settings is a list of connected stores. Those that are highlighted in gray are no longer open and are automatically hidden from your web page. Let's go ahead and edit one of these stores. You can see from this page that you have the ability to customize the displayed store name, the store banner, as well as the description. This is helpful as you may want to feature different information on the MultiStore web page from the actual store itself. Now let's take a look at an example. Our design displays all stores in a tile format. We also clearly list the descriptions and key dates. Each store banner is easily visible, as well as the MultiStore Web Pages banner and introduction are clearly displayed on top. Finally, when hovering over any of the given stores, a Shop Now button is displayed, encouraging users to visit the associated store. All in all, this feature has proven to be effective for many high school organizations and complex sports clubs, and we are hopeful that it will open up a world of new possibilities for you.
We will now talk about one of my favorite features, online registration. As you all know, many of your clubs and organizations rely on outdated spreadsheets and unorganized coaches to provide you that all-important player roster. Wouldn't it be great if the parents could just click a link and submit their accurate registration details? Now they can with our fully customizable online registration tool. First thing to note, this feature must be enabled within your account to create a new registration. Once enabled, you can access the online registration tab from any of your club dashboards. Please note that although you must initially set up a club store to access this feature, you can use online registration without ever completing and launching the associated club store. From the online registration page, you will see a list of all available registrations for that club. You can edit, close, archive, preview, and download registration reports directly from this section. Let's take a quick look at some of the settings associated with this registration. We allow you to enter in many different details and descriptors, as well as upload custom banners for the various registration pages. You then get the ability to select and create all of the questions that will be featured within your online registration. We feature many of the most common questions by default, but also let you create your own using a set of flexible options. You will then complete your registration by adding in a welcome email. This email is received after each successful registration is processed. Therefore, it should include team, organization, and store details, as well as any other important contact information. Finally, you have the ability to further enhance your registration by adding divisions. Divisions allow you to set different rules, restrictions, and prices for your online registration. For example, if you were setting up a registration for a soccer club, you may have divisions for Premier, Travel, and Rec, and each would have different settings. Here's an example of a registration with multiple divisions. The customer registration experience is very similar to the shopping experience within your TUO stores. They simply fill out the required fields and answer the available questions. If your registration requires payment, not a problem. Your customer can process their payment in the same way that they would place an order.
I'm now going to change gears and focus on a product-specific feature, custom product sizes. Now, each dealer has the ability to manage and create size categories within their own dashboard. Let me show you. We will start by clicking on the profile icon in the upper right corner. Then we'll select Manage Product Sizes from the right menu. This page displays all available size categories and allows you to quickly and easily rearrange their order. Simply click and drag. Let's take a look at an existing size category. From the Edit Size Category page, you can rename the category, disable it, or manage individual sizes within. Same as the previous page, simply click and drag to change the order of individual sizes. There is no limit to the amount of sizes or size categories within your dashboard, so feel free to come up with a new system for organizing sizes across all of your stores. When editing or adding a new product to your store, the Enable categories will display exactly as they are set within your profile. The same is also true within your store reports. Finally, we now support individual prices for each size, so you no longer need to create special size categories for your more expensive products.
We are now going to show you one of our newest features, Custom Store Labels. With this feature, you can now focus on your most important stores with only a few clicks. Here's the concept. As your business grows, you may have many different stores for several different purposes within your TUO dashboard. Due to the number and variety, it can be somewhat taxing to understand which sales rep created each store or which sport those stores serve. Custom store labels give you the ability to create an advanced organization system within your TUO dashboard. This allows you to find and manage those stores in less time than ever before. This feature is again found within your profile page. You will see custom store labels listed at the bottom of the right menu. This page displays all of your currently available labels and also allows you to quickly create new ones. We suggest creating labels for a wide variety of purposes, including sales reps, sports, seasons, brands, and anything else that you can think of. We will now show you how to assign these labels to your online stores. From the New or Edit Store page, you will notice a Store Labels drop-down immediately after your primary store details. This dropdown allows you to select multiple labels at a single time, providing you almost limitless flexibility. Now that we have some labels assigned, let's quickly filter out those labels in our dashboard. Simply click on the Store Labels filter and choose your desired labels. Next, click Filter Stores, and that's all there is to it.
For today's final topic, we want to highlight an advanced function of order status tracking, and that's custom order status updates. Many of you may already know that you have the ability to create and assign custom order statuses quickly and easily within TUO, but what you may not know is that you also have the ability to send a custom note along with the automatically generated status email. Let me show you. You can find this feature within the Order Fulfillment tab on your main dashboard. Simply search for a batch of orders and get ready to change their status. The only thing that needs to be mentioned is that your selected status needs to have the send email notification enabled within your profile page. Now, if you need a review on order status setup as a whole or order status tracking, we did a webinar recently on this in mid-July, or alternatively, you could reach out to us directly to schedule a one-on-one, and we'd be happy to configure order status tracking within your dashboard. Assuming that you already have it set up, you're now going to see a Dealer Notes text box and a Reply To email field. Within Dealer Notes, you have the ability to format the text, include hyperlinks, contact information, and really anything else that might benefit your shopper. The Reply To email is also important because it allows your customers to reply directly to your messages if they have any questions. So please be sure to enter an accurate dealer rep email into this field if you're going to use this feature. Once you're happy with the status and the message, simply click Update and your customers will be notified. This feature is most helpful in providing delivery details and instructions, but can also work very well when you run into a back-ordered product.